Hello, Vikings. This is the end of our week-long Mansa Musa unit. So you are going to, as our objective says, develop a claim that takes a side in an argument. And then you can develop clear reasoning to support my argument for each piece of evidence used. Your directions for this. All of your responses, as always, because you are responsible middle school writers, should be in complete sentences. You will answer the question, was Mansa Musa an important person in history? Then you will find evidence from the texts that support your claim. Finally, you will make an inference and explain how your evidence supports your claim. So my question, was Mansa Musa an important person in history? Can I just write yes?
Sure.
Can I just write no? Of course not. As good writers,
Sure.
Mom Hawkins is here. As good writers, we need to have a complete sentence for our claim, right? So our claim answers the question, but we don't say just yes or just no. In fact, we don't have yes or no in our claim at all. We restate the question in our claim. So go ahead and do that and write your answer in the claim box. As always, you can pause if you need to. From there, you are going to find your evidence from document A. That's the orange one. This is why you needed to keep them the entire week. You should have all four texts that we have done this week. The orange, the yellow, the pink, and the green. If you don't already have those, pause the video and go get them now. Okay, so you need to find evidence from document A that supports your claim, whether you said he was important or was not important, but in a complete sentence. So your evidence from document A. Then we're going to go out of order. We're going to do all of our evidence first and then all of our reasoning. Then you have your evidence from document B. I know that we did document B after the other two, but we're putting them in order. So document B, which is the pink paper, you are finding your evidence from here that supports your claim. And then on the back of the paper, you have document C, your evidence that supports your claim. Now, if you're a responsible student, which I know you are, my wonderful human beings, you already have all of that done on your green paper. In fact, it's question number 5. Kind of question number 5. Question number 5 talks about how he was the richest person in history, but could we decide that wealth equals importance? I will call him back. Yes, definitely. If you want to find other evidence and you want to challenge yourself, you are more than welcome to do that. Okay? So you have found your 3 pieces of evidence. Now we're going to go back and we are going to have our 3 pieces of reasoning. Your reasoning explains how your evidence supports the claim. Remember, you can always use your sentence stems. They're up on the board, next to the door, next to the mirror. Yes, we know where this is? Okay, cool. So you can use the reasoning sentence stems, and you are going to explain, explain how each piece of evidence supports the claim, okay? Now, once you have all 7 of these boxes, your claim and each of the document A boxes, both of the document B boxes, and both the document C boxes filled out, you are now going to put it all together. This is new, friends. We have not done this yet. So what you're doing is you are putting all of your information, you already have it written, but it looks messy. It's in a bunch of different boxes, like maybe I don't know the right way to go. So I want to be able to read your paragraph as a complete paragraph. So you're writing it, claim, evidence, reasoning, evidence, reasoning, evidence, reasoning. Does that make sense? Just in case, here are the directions also. Copy your claim, your evidence and reasoning from document A, evidence and reasoning from document B, and evidence and reasoning from document C, all together into one cohesive paragraph in these lines down below. Okay? If you end up running out of space and you need more, grab a lined piece of paper and just staple it together. If you have any questions, ask the person in charge, and yeah. All right, you can do this, friends. I know you can. Be good people, make good choices. Go Vikings.